Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Walgreens for health services, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Walgreens website. On the home page, locate the Health Services tab. Click on it to explore the various health services offered. You'll find options for immunizations, health tests, and preventive services. Select the service you are interested in. For immunizations, click on Vaccinations. You will be directed to a page that details the available vaccines. Choose the vaccine you want to get, such as the flu shot or COVID-19 vaccine. After selecting the vaccine, click on the Find Location button. Enter your zip code or city to find nearby Walgreens locations that offer the service. Review the list of locations and their available appointment times. Choose a convenient location and click on Schedule Appointment. Fill in your personal information as prompted, including your name and contact details. Select your preferred date and time for the appointment. Confirm your appointment details on the next page. Next, you may be asked to provide your insurance information. If you do not have insurance, you can select the option for self-pay. Once all information is entered, review everything for accuracy, then click Confirm Appointment. You will receive a confirmation via email or text. On the day of your appointment, arrive at the Walgreens location a few minutes early. Bring your ID, insurance card, and any necessary paperwork. Check in at the pharmacy counter upon arrival. A pharmacist will guide you through the process. After receiving your service, ask any questions you may have regarding your health. If you need follow-up services, inquire about scheduling them before you leave. Feel free to explore additional health services on the Walgreens website at any time. This completes your guide to using Walgreens for health services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.